Look, we have a puzzle with a squirrel and a baby squirrel making their dinner. You should help me to put it together. Oh no, where are the puzzles? Oh, look! The alligator brought me one piece. Thank you, alligator. Thank you. Where it should go? Maybe here? No. Maybe here? No. Maybe here. Yes. Let's leave it there. Look! The elephant brought me the second piece. Thank you, elephant. Thank you so much. Where we should put it? Maybe here? Maybe here. No. I know. Yay! Thank you, elephant. Look! The dog brought me another piece. Thank you, dog. Woof, woof. Where we should put it? Maybe it's going to be here. No. Maybe it's here. No. I know. It's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you, dog. Woof, woof. Look. The sheep brought another piece. Thank you, sheep. Thank you. Maybe it's going to fit here. No. Or here. No. I know. It's going to there. Yay! Thank you, sheep. Look! The zebra brought another piece. Thank you, zebra. But where it should go? I need your help. Maybe it's going to go here? No. It's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you, zebra. Look, the lion brought another piece. Thank you, lion. Where should it go? Maybe it's going to fit here. No. Maybe it's going to fit there. No. It's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you. Look, the horse brought another piece. Thank you, horse. But I need your help. Where should we put it? Maybe it's going to fit there. No. Maybe there. No. I know. It's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you, horse. Look, who is bringing the next piece? It's a donkey. Thank you, donkey, for another piece. But where should we put it? Maybe it's going to fit there. No. Maybe there. No. I know. It's going to fit there. Yay! Well done. Thank you. Who is bringing the next piece? What do you think? It's a pig. Thank you, pig. Thank you for another piece. But where should we put it? Maybe it's going to fit there. Oh no. Maybe it's going to fit there. No. I know, it's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you, pig. Look, It's a giraffe. And he brought me another piece. Thank you, giraffe. Where should we put it? We have 3 spaces left. Maybe it's going to fit there. Oh no. Maybe it's going to fit there. Yay! We made a frame. Thank you, giraffe. You're welcome. Look, it's Tiger, and he's bringing me another piece. Thank you, Tiger. We have only 2 spaces left. Maybe it's going to fit there? No. It's going to fit there. Yay! Thank you, Tiger. Look, it's Caterpillar, and she is bringing me the last piece. Really slowly, but she is getting there. Thank you, Caterpillar. Thank you. You're so beautiful. And it's the last piece. And it's going to fit like this. Oh no! I need your help. Should we turn it? Yes, we should turn it. And it's going to fit perfectly. Yay! Thank you, Caterpillar. We collected the puzzle. The baby squirrel is reunited with his mother, making the dinner. Yay! Bye-bye! Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.